Hi, I'm Kelsey Vukic, Social and Behavioral Sciences Librarian for USC Libraries. This presentation will provide an overview of research strategies to make your searching more efficient and help you find relevant search materials. This presentation will cover the research process, developing search terms, advanced search techniques, and Boolean operators. Library research is one of many types of research. When conducting research using library resources, you are identifying and locating sources of factual information and expert opinion to answer a research question. Many times, you may be conducting multiple types of research in order to compile your findings in a final project. For example, you might conduct your own survey, posing questions to a group of people, and then conduct library research to find a theory or similar study that upholds your findings. The information produced or accumulated during the research process will be the foundation on which you build your argument and express your ideas. Because research can be multifaceted, it isn't always a straightforward process and can often look like the image on the screen. You might not always complete your research in the same order, and some steps might need to be repeated as you learn new information. You may even change directions or your original research question based on new information you learn. It is a normal part of the process. Start early to allow yourself time to enjoy the process of inquiry so you don't become frustrated by it as you rush to meet your deadline. Library databases work best when searching for specific keywords rather than entire questions or long phrases. Based on my question, how does organizational change impact employee stress, retention, and morale? I can break down my key concepts to organizational change, employee stress, employee retention, and employee morale. From here, I can conduct searches using these individual concepts or combination of the concepts. Once you identify your research concepts, you'll want to additionally create a list of synonyms or related terms to utilize while searching. Sometimes professional or academic literature may use different terminology about any given topic or idea than is used in popular literature. For example, instead of searching cancer, I might want to search malignant tumor to be more specific and find more relevant medical research on the topic. For our example, I've included synonyms or related keywords to search. Being successful while conducting research could mean multiple searches using varying or different terminology across several databases or sources. Beyond developing keywords and research concepts, there are other techniques or tricks you can utilize to make searching more efficient. Adding an asterisk to your search enables library databases to fill in alternative endings to a word. Keep in mind that it might not be a viable option for all your search terms. In the example here, adding an asterisk to the end of child will expand our results to include the words children, childhood, childs, and any additional alternative ending of the root word. A question mark will replace a single letter in a word. In our example here, it can render results with a singular woman or plural women. The last trick is to use quotation marks to search for an exact phrase. Because keyword searches will locate any instance a word appears, it is best to be as specific as possible. While the first two techniques should broaden or increase your search results, the last one narrows or reduces the number of results you generate with your search. Boolean operators is a search technique which allows you to search multiple keywords or concepts at once. Using the operator AND will connect two or more concepts so all search results contain the search terms used. This approach narrows down the search and produces less results than searching each concept individually. Using the operator OR will connect two or more similar concepts so the results will include at least one of the search terms used. This approach broadens the search and produces more results than searching each concept individually. Using the operator NOT will exclude results that includes your keyword or concept. You might not use this operator very often, but it can exclude content that might be somewhat related to your research question or topic. If you're looking at organizational change and retention, you might want to focus on employee retention rather than retention in leadership positions. Often your research topic has ideas or concepts that can be expressed multiple ways. Therefore, you may want to include several variations of your search terms using the nesting approach. Nesting uses parentheses to keep similar concepts or synonyms together, telling the database to look for search terms in the parentheses first. It uses Boolean operators or and not to connect the like terms to the rest of the search. In our example, placing our synonyms related to employee stress within the parentheses will expand the possible results while still tying any of these terms to the concept of organizational change. Nesting has the potential to broaden our search results while also allowing the results to be more relevant to your research question. However, omitting the parentheses will impact your search results and potentially make it less relevant. The second example will find content that includes the terms organizational change and employee stress, or just content that contains occupational stress. Thank you for viewing this USC Libraries video about search strategies.